In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a trademark symbol in Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're working on a business proposal, a legal document, or a creative project, adding the trademark symbol can give your presentation an extra layer of professionalism and accuracy. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you want to open Microsoft PowerPoint. If you haven't done this before, you can access it online, which is fantastic because you can work on your presentations from anywhere with internet access. Head over to Microsoft's PowerPoint website and sign in with your credentials. If you're not signed in, you'll need to do this step to proceed further. Signing in ensures you can save your work to the cloud and access it for collaboration or future editing. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your PowerPoint home. This is your control center where you can create new presentations or open existing ones. Navigate by clicking on a presentation you wish to edit or use to learn this new skill. Picking an existing presentation is usually the fastest way to jump into the editor. Now that you've got your presentation open, it's time to add that trademark symbol. To do this, locate the toolbar at the top of your PowerPoint window and click on the Insert tab. This tab is like a treasure trove of tools and options that allow you to add all sorts of elements to your presentation, from pictures to charts, and yes, symbols like the trademark symbol. With the Insert tab open, look over the options until you find Symbol. Click on it and PowerPoint will bring up a window with a variety of symbols you can incorporate into your presentation. You'll see a plethora of options, from currency symbols to mathematical operators, and now it's time to find the one we're interested in today. Finally, once you've located the symbol window, look for the TM symbol. It's usually grouped with other punctuation and symbols. Click on the trademark symbol, and just like magic, it will be inserted into your slide right where you left your cursor. And just like that, you've added a professional touch to your presentation, indicating trademarked names, phrases, or logos. It's a small but significant addition that helps to acknowledge the legal status of the terms and protect intellectual property. If you accidentally insert the symbol in the wrong spot, don't worry, simply use the undo button and have another go. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and straightforward. The ability to add symbols like this can greatly enhance your documents and presentations, so feel free to explore more features within PowerPoint to further elevate your work. Thanks for watching and keep creating with confidence.